Hello, my name is Vibor.
Wait. Can you please introduce yourself?
Okay, so my name is Hannu.
Introduce yourself.
Hello.
Can you introduce yourself?
Yes, I'm Ella, the everyday Finnish person or something, yeah.
Sono una ragazza del sud dell'Europa, qui in Erasmus, in questo alto posto dell'Europa.
Hello, my name is Vibor Travaš. I come from Rijeka, Croatia, and I'm a master's student of international relations here at the University of Lapland.
I'm Antti Savolainen from Finland. Antti is a traditional Finnish name. It's kind of hard to pronounce, and I'm 20 years old and I've been drinking since I was 15. So I've got a lot of experience.
Well, I'm Gurhan from Cyprus. I'm in Finland since 2007. I just started my PhD in the University of Lapland.
What are you studying?
Well, mainly I can say that international relations.
My name is Hannes Brand. I'm from East Germany. Dresden is the city. The most beautiful city in the world, by the way. So whenever you want to come.
What do you think about the nightlife in Rovaniemi?
It's special. It's special. There's the pre-parties here in the student dorms, and then there's 3 clubs that we all go to.
Usually we start just chilling with some friends and then we go to the bar to party, and maybe sometimes after party. And
It's like, it's like Rovaniemi is kind of the bubble, and there's the reality somewhere. We're very, very far away. Yeah, I do feel different.
Drinking habits. I hope not. I hope they are very bad, at least. I'm a happy drunk, but I don't know if I have any special drinking habits or anything like.
Di solito bevo birra, però anche vodka, soprattutto se ricevo i soldi, ma quando bevo vodka il giorno dopo di solito sto molto male. How do you start your drinking night?
Usually I start with wine and cheese. Then when I go out, I follow the beer.
Alors on danse.
Di solito la giornata migliore per ubriacarsi qui è il mercoledì, visto che c'è la birra a €1 e quindi è come un invito ad ubriacarsi.
but I think Friday is the best day to drink in here.
In the last Vappu, I was terribly drunk. When I woke up, I noticed that I forgot the pizza in the oven. Then I just ran there and I found the pizza completely black. Then I ran to the balcony because I left my clothes in the balcony. I pretend like they will get dry, like Cyprus. Then I just figure out that it's not really a clever thing to get drunk and cook something in the night time.
The craziest thing, I think, was like 2 weeks ago. I did with a Spanish friend of mine, and we were kind of drunk, and we decided to, we woke everybody up in Kontutie, ringing the bell, and yeah, it was us. And then we decided, as a self-punishment, to sleep outside. It was like minus 13.8 degrees, so it was really, really cold. We just picked up our mattresses and then we went to the snow and we slept in the snow. It was awesome, really awesome. It was fucking crazy, but it was really awesome. And I think nobody else did it, but I did it. I'm really proud of it. 2 days after, I was fucking sick, but I'm really proud that I did it.
Se ho mai fatto qualcosa di pazzo quando ero ubriaca, sì, credo di sì. La cosa forse più pazza che ho fatto è, ad esempio, quando c'è stata questa festa sex exchange qui a Rovaniemi, e quindi gli uomini dovevano vestirsi come donne, le donne come uomini, e io volevo assomigliare davvero a un uomo, allora mi sono scotchata, ho messo lo scotch sul seno per sembrare più realistica, e quindi poi siamo andati a questa festa in discoteca e mi dicevano: "Oh, sembri davvero un uomo", e io sì, e tiravo sulla maglietta a mostrare che avevo tutte le tette scocciate.
What's going on? Ding, ding.
Do you have any regrets?
I like to say it's better to experience things than not to experience them. So I don't like to feel regret.
Yeah, of course I do. Yeah. I don't want to be precise, but of course I do. Yeah.
I don't remember much about that stuff, so no regrets about anything.
So, can you introduce yourself?
I'm Mr. Security Guy. Yeah.
What about your experience with drunk people here in this club?
Here in this club, I've been working for as a bouncer or doorman or security guy for 12 years. So I've seen a few drunken people.
What about your friends? They usually help you when you're drunk?
Well, I think that the community right here is really good. So when I'm really drunk, I always experience that everybody's helping me and everybody's helping each other. And so, I really think I can get drunk whenever I want, and I think I have a good company that the people are helping me if it's too much, But normally, I really know my limits, and it rarely happens that it's too much.
So can you recognize people when come inside if they will be drunk or something? Will be wasted.
They're normally people when they come to the club, they will be drunk. But actually, I'm quite lucky to work in a place like this, because the people in here, they normally they want to have fun. Maybe they drink a little, maybe they drink a little bit too much, but normally they have fun. There are different types of clubs where the people have fun in different way. This is not a fight club. This is a mad club.
What about the hangover the next day?
The hangovers usually depend on what I have been drinking. So if those are the drinks that I usually drink, I don't have such a strong hangover. But if it's something that I don't usually drink, then it's a strong hangover. So I usually, like if I drink gin, I like to, in the morning, hug my cushion and tell myself it's going to be better.
Hangover? Well, I'm from Cyprus, so I never have hangover. Well, I'm lucky about it, because it depends on your characteristical features. If you are from the Mediterranean or from some sunny country, like Ireland, it's a bit difficult to have a hangover when you wake up.
Because the reality for drunken people is totally different than for the sober people, at least in Finland it is. One has to understand what the people are, what they're feeling and what they're trying to do and so on. And patient, one has to have patience. And I guess in certain way, one has to have quite healthy self-confidence. say kipis in your language?
Kipis? Of course. Prost!
Oh, kipis in Croatian is živjeli.
Traditional Laplands said Hölgen Kölgen.
That means?
It's like a kippis, you know, but it's said differently. Hölgen Kölgen.
Chin chin!
Hey, I don't say anything, I just yell, I don't know.
Alright, thank you!
Canberra,
Do you think
Australia.
about
Would you like to introduce yourself, Lorenzo?
21 years old.
Lorenzo?
Quite good. Some people say
21
it's
years
boring, but
What do you do in life? Do you use Facebook?
I'm a university
What
student.
about drunkenness each day? Every day? Have you ever been drunk?
Yeah.
In this
Have you
environment?
ever posted about